Abu Bakr from the UK.
Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum salam.
So, Sheikh, my question relates to the other day I went to a lecture in the mosque, but it was really late at night. It was really late, like 11, 12 a.m. Sorry, 11, 12 p.m., I think. Uh, and uh, and my dad didn't want me to like go there. He doesn't want me to go to any lectures in the mosques, but I still went there because because I heard you could still go there. And my dad drove all the way to the mosque and picked me up and brought me back home. And he was angry, and he didn't want me to go out because it was unsafe. There's even stabbings near where I live, a stabbing. And next time I went to the lecture in the mosque, the brothers, they were asking me what was going on. And I remember I wanted the Ustad to give me advice because I heard it's not backbiting if you ask someone knowledgeable for advice. But the brothers who are students of the Ustad, they were asking Abu Bakr, oh, why didn't your dad let you come? I didn't want to say at first just in case to be safe from backbiting, but I explained afterwards that he doesn't want me to come because he thinks it's extreme, Wahhabi, and this and that, without mentioning any of his faults or speaking badly of him. I didn't even say good things about him, like he prays 5 times a day, reads Quran and whatnot. But I just said he thinks it's extreme. And the brothers, they didn't give me advice except one of them. And they just wanted to like know how my dad thinks. And I just said it, and I feel bad because this might be backbiting. So I want to know, would this be considered as backbiting, Sheikh?
No, this is not backbiting, inshallah, as long as there was no ill intent and you narrated it as it happened and took place so that the brothers would not think negatively of you for skipping a lecture or for being taken out of a lecture. And they would sympathize with you and maybe try to give you sound advice, or maybe try to speak to your father behind your back and give him some advice.